tanungin natin yan, it depends actually. If talking about bullying in school, I would presume, no, depending on the school, if it has rules. No? Some schools now have rules on bullying, but some don't. Okay? But they have regular codes of conduct. No? The school's codes of conduct would normally prescribe para bang acceptable means of dealing or associating. Hindi ka nananakit, or hindi ka you have to refer to those normal rules of conduct in schools if there's no specific rule on bullying. But a lot of schools are actually coming out with their own version of in school regulations of bullying. That's one. Number two, in the workplace. No? In the workplace, again, you have to refer to employees' code of conduct. Usually, it's an employee manual where, some kind of conduct is expected from you. Normally, pag yung mga ganyan, it's usually kasi personal, no? Normally, sasabihin mo, it's not part of official work concerns. But, when the act of bullying affects the work already, the output or the relationship of people in the workplace, such that the output of the work is already affected, then you have a ground or a reason for the employer or management or the administration to step in and regulate. Kasi now it affects the business, the output, the work, no? Yan yun sa workplace. In normal everyday affairs, how do you deal with that? If the bullying is physical, you get hurt, diba? You have to refer to the rules of the penal code, for instance, punishing either physical injuries, like physical injuries. If it's words of mouth, salita, you either have libel, no? Or slander, no? So, yan yung mga, usually that's what you can use pagdating sa batas, no, in the law, what is existing right now, because we still don't have rules that specifically punishes bullying. That's for criminal complaints or cases where, syempre, because it's criminal nature, ang penalty would be, hindi ka makulong, pwede ka may fine, yung mga ganon. On the other hand, there's under the civil code, which governs human relations, ordinary relationships of people between each other. There are basic rules in human relations where hindi ka dapat naninira, you should not cause distress, you should not cause sleepless nights, you should not destroy reputation, yung mga ganyan, ano?